Okay guys, these are my devices in my MP4 player, and today we're going to start up and shut down test to see which one wins. So this is the Cat S22 Flip Android, and we have the ZTE Z233. This one's not an Android device. This is the Jitterbug Touch by Alcatel One Touch. And the last one is the Tamika MP4 player, and it's running Android OS, and it's running Android 13, so yeah. Okay, let's shut down all of my devices. Let's try opening 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4. Okay, they're unlocked. Now let's shut down all of these devices. Oh, not this one, because it was shut down. Alright, go. Power off. Power off. Okay, let's do it. Okay, everything is turned it off. Now it's time to turn on. Let's go turn this on first. Wait for a minute. Okay, now we just turn on this one. Then we just turn on this one. This one's a ZTE. Then we just turn on this one. Let's see which one wins. Let's see which one wins. Oh look, there's people. This one, so it's a mobile device, it's T-Mobile. So, the Tamiko MP4 player wins. Let's unlock it. Oh, the CTE, let's unlock it. Great Call is still loading. This one is on. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's close the devices. This one has a turn off. So, alright, thanks for watching.